You have an upcoming credit card payment and you have received your salary for the month, but you still need to pay your bills like rent and other spendings. So what you do is make the minimum payment for your credit card and forget about it, right? But do you know if you only make the minimum payment, you are being charged an interest on it? Yes, as shocking as it may sound, most of the banks charge us anywhere from 8 to a whopping 52% per annum in interest just for your credit cards. Most of the time, your money is interest free for up to 45 days from when your bill is generated. So, if you make a purchase on the very next day after your bill is generated, you get that money free of interest for the next 45 days until the payment is due. But when you make only the minimum payment, you are being charged for this. Just think if you are being charged an interest rate of 52% for a credit card spend of 10,000 rupees. That is, you are paying 5,200 rupees in interest only for a single year, which means you are paying half of what you owe to the bank just in interest. What if there is a way to avoid this? Let me tell you how. Whenever you want to avoid those interests that you are charged for your credit card spending, there is a simple way to avoid those hefty charges. This method is called rent payment. If you can open your PhonePe, GPay, Paytm or Credit app, you might find an option to pay your rent using your credit card. Now, what you want to do is go ahead and make the complete payment for your credit card as soon as you receive your monthly salary. Once you find your credit limit is back up, go ahead and open up any of the rent payment services and start a rent payment. Make the payment to any of your friends or family members as the owner, and when you make the payment, the receiver will get the money usually within 24 hours. You will be charged a small convenience fee depending on the provider, but usually this is less than what you pay the banks in interest. Once you receive your money back from your family members or friends, you can go ahead and spend your money as usual. Additionally, always making full payment to your credit card increases your credit score and your chances of getting a low interest rate on your personal or home loans. Many people pay high interest rate on owning a house, but if you follow this simple strategy, you can save in lakhs in the long run. This might not be optimal for a person who has a higher credit limit than their monthly income, but for most of the average Indians, you can follow this hack, which might be a blessing for your future of credit. In the long run, I would say making the complete payment for your credit card would be better than this hack. However, if you have racked up in debts, then this might ease up your stress and get rid of some problems. If you want to learn more about credit cards and how to use your credit points to earn some benefits, then please do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.